Hi my angels, I'm back, and today I want to make a video for anybody that might be going through anything. I promise you, if you watch this video, you will feel so much better about whatever situation you are going through. And this video is really just made to inspire you and motivate you and give you the wisdom and knowledge needed for you to move past whatever situation you are going through. So if you need some help currently, then go ahead and watch this video. So the first thing I wanted to tell you, if you're going through anything, is to realize that the experience you are going through is the one you need, because it is the one you have. The universe is only going to give you exactly what you need to realize what is within, because whatever is within is constantly manifesting on the outside. So whatever is happening on the outside is just giving you warning lights or giving you signals to what's inside, so you can fix what's inside, so you can change your reality. It all starts from within. The next thing I want to tell you is that you need to remain calm within the storms. Whenever there's a storm outside, whenever there's chaos outside in the reality world, you need to remember that reality, or this 3D plane earth that we live in, is all an illusion, that it's all make-believe, and that what's really happening is like what's within us, and the purpose of us being here on earth is to elevate our soul. Like nothing really matters, like society doesn't really matter, taxes don't matter, money doesn't really matter, like whatever you may think that is so big right now, it doesn't really actually matter. What matters is your soul evolving in this life, and in this life elevating. And you can get there like just by focusing on the within. So I want you to remember that the outside is just the chaos and the outside world, but in reality, it doesn't really matter. So stay calm within. When you see all these things going on, remember that you have God within, that you have the infinite power within, and that nothing in this outside world is greater than what is within. You are a God, because God lives within you, and you can create and change your life in any which way that you want. And all you need to know is that you are capable of it. Because when you know you are capable of it, then you can do anything. It's that knowing, it's that conviction of who you are that gives you the power to change your reality and to change your life. So get in tune with who you are. You are a God. The next thing I want to tell you is that adversity happens to all of us, and the ebbs and flow of life are just natural. You can't expect to always be living in the highs. Like literally, as high as life takes you, life will bring you all the way to the floor. So don't even get too excited about the highs, because it's an equal low. Like it's the law of rhythm, and whatever comes up must come down. So try to live in the middle. Try to neutralize yourself, to just realize that nothing in this world matters, that everything is, that there is no good and bad, that everything just is, because overall, like it's all going to come out to neutralize, and it's all just happening for you to evolve, like I said, and everything is happening for a reason. I also want you to know that everything happens for a reason. You need to trust that life isn't just happening to create chaos or to make you miserable. Life is happening for a reason, and it's for you to grow and for you to gain wisdom and for you to gain knowledge, so you can create whichever reality that's going to make you the most purposeful in this world. Because another thing I want you to realize is that you are so unique and purposeful in this world. You were placed on this earth in the specific family that you were, in the specific hometown, surrounded by the people you were, for a reason. You have such a unique purpose, and God put such a purpose in your heart, and I know you feel it, because it calls you. It calls you to move, and it calls you to do things, and it calls you to watch videos like this when you're feeling down, because you won't ever give up, because you have a calling and you have a purpose. And just realize that it's all for the greater good, and that everything is happening for a reason. And specifically, that reason is for you to be able to complete and fulfill your purpose on this planet. The next thing I want to tell you is to realize that all you need is within. Like I said earlier, God lives within you, and that is all you need. If you're going through money struggles, if you're going through love struggles, if you're going through any type of struggle, realize that all you need is within, and all you need is yourself. And I know it is so much harder done than said, because I literally am telling you, like, all you need is yourself, and I struggle with this every single day. I struggle to pick myself, I struggle to choose myself first, and it is so hard, like, to be human and to be ruled by all these egotistical desires, but like have this soul within that has a purpose. But I want you to continue pushing and continue reminding yourself, because you are the master of yourself. And you need to also realize that you've lived in your old frequency, you've lived in low frequencies, you've lived in insecurity and poverty and all these things for so long. For me, for 20 years before I was able to see the light. And therefore my 1 or 2 years of being in this light isn't going to erase all these 20 years. And it's going to take work, and it's going to take some more time and some more maintenance and some more you know, just working on everything I developed over my childhood and all these things and getting rid of all those things, and just be patient with yourself and offer yourself grace whenever it's too hard. Like, that's another thing I really want to tell you. Give yourself grace. Give yourself grace through everything. You are only human, and yes, you are going to make mistakes. We all make mistakes, and just as long as you don't give up, then you're doing it right. Whether or not you did it good today or not, as long as you stand up and are willing to try again tomorrow, then you are still on the path. You can never get off the path of your purpose. You can never get off the path, because God is forever going to be within you. And whenever you want to go back in, all you have to do is tap back into the God within. So just realize that you can never get out of path, and keep tapping into the God within. And yeah, that's kind of my little message for today. I just wanted to really uplift you guys. If you guys are going through anything, remember that everything will pass. Literally, the good times are going to pass. The bad times are going to pass. Everything is forever changing. Nothing in this life is permanent. So know that whatever circumstance you're going through right now is going to change. It's not going to be like this forever. This is just a reminder. This is just warning signals. This is just giving you a red light signal for you to see what you need to change within, so that your reality can change. The only way that your reality won't change is if you don't change. So try to focus on changing yourself. Change yourself in the way you act, in the way you think, in the way you believe, in the way you love, in the way you give, in the way you receive. Change yourself so that the world outside changes as well. These are warning signals. Whatever adversity you're going through, it's just a warning signal that things are going to change as long as you change. So look at it like that. Stay optimistic. Keep working on yourself. Keep going to the gym. Keep reading your books. Keep watching those YouTube videos that are helping you grow. And I promise you, you are going to achieve everything you want in this life and more. And I hope this video uplifts you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. I'm going to start making these videos again, because I used to make the videos where I would just sit down and talk about the most random things, but then I kind of got into the headset of making videos that were trendier or that were more on theme. But I think this is the real me, and just talking to a camera about the most random thing that I feel like talking about feels authentic to me, and that is what I will continue to do. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it more than you guys know, and I'll catch you guys in my next video, hopefully tomorrow. Bye bye.